KNIPEX PreciForce crimping pliers are a specialized tool for installing photovoltaic systems with MC4 and MC4 EVO2 connectors. They feature a precision die with optimized V-crimp geometry, ensuring reliable conductivity and minimal power loss in solar setups. A ratchet mechanism with factory-set crimping pressure provides consistently high-quality crimps, while the ergonomic handles allow for comfortable use. Made from durable chrome vanadium electric steel, these pliers are compact and lightweight, making them convenient to carry and ideal for residential, industrial, and mobile solar installations. The Knipex Preci Strip 6 automatic wire stripper is a versatile tool for precise wire stripping, handling sizes from 0.08 to 16 square millimeters. It features a parabolic stripping blade for clean cuts and an automatic depth adjustment for consistent results. A fine adjustment dial allows customization of cutting depth, making it adaptable to various materials. Built with high-quality materials, the tool is durable and has an ergonomic design for comfortable use. Ideal for electrical wiring, electronics assembly, automotive repair, telecommunications, and industrial maintenance, this tool ensures efficiency and reliability in multiple applications. The Knipex Pliers Wrench combines pliers and wrench functions in a single, compact tool, ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Its smooth jaws ensure damage-free gripping, while the adjustable wrench head fits a range of nut and bolt sizes. Made from high-quality materials, it offers durability and an ergonomic design with non-slip handles, reducing hand fatigue. The adjustable jaws enhance precision, while the compact design is convenient for on-the-go use. This versatile tool reduces the need for multiple tools, saving time, space, and costs, and delivering a reliable and efficient user experience. The Knipex CoBolt S is a compact yet powerful bolt cutter designed for cutting tough materials like bolts, nails, rivets, piano wire, and spring steel. At just 160 millimeters in length, it's easy to handle in tight spaces. Its 25-fold manual force amplification allows for effortless cutting of materials up to 4.4 millimeters in diameter, while the induction-hardened, approximately 64 HRC cutting edge ensures long-lasting durability. The unique recess in the cutting edge provides extra leverage for thicker materials, and the lasered edge prevents slipping for clean cuts. Additionally, a gripping surface below the joint aids in pulling wires, making this tool a versatile addition to any toolbox. The Knipex Electronic Super Knips is a precision tool, ideal for ultra-fine cutting in electronics and fine mechanics. It features VDE testing for electrical safety, finely ground, ultra-sharp cutting edges for clean, damage-free cuts, and shear cutting with controlled micro-edge alignment for high accuracy. Its precisely shaped tips allow close surface cutting, while a joint with a stainless steel rivet ensures durability. The tool includes an opening spring and limiter for easy, controlled operation and a cutting-edge hardness of approximately 54 HRC. Made from corrosion-resistant inox steel, this tool is perfect for professionals needing high precision. The Knipex Modular X18 backpack is a durable and versatile tool carrier designed for professionals. Its modular design allows for customization with optional inserts and accessories, ensuring it meets specific needs. With a large capacity of up to 15 kilograms, the backpack can carry a wide range of tools and accessories. It features padded shoulder straps and a back panel for comfortable carrying, while its weather-resistant materials ensure durability in tough conditions. Multiple compartments and pockets keep tools organized and easily accessible, making the Knipex Modular X18 a reliable choice for professionals on the go. The Knipex Tools Forged Wire Stripper is a versatile and durable tool designed for a range of electrical tasks, including stripping, cutting, and gripping. It strips solid and stranded wires in the 10 to 20 AWG range, ensuring precise results. The tool also cuts screws in sizes 6, 32, and 8, 32 without threading, saving time and effort. Its wide gripping jaws are ideal for handling flat and round materials, perfect for twisting wires. Built with forged construction, it offers long-lasting durability, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. A reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The KNIPEX StepCut XL is a powerful cable shear designed for cutting large cables with ease and precision. Its high-leverage joint, long handles, and optimized cutting edges make it much easier to cut large cables compared to traditional shears. It handles solid copper or aluminum cables up to 35 square millimeters, stranded cables up to 70 square millimeters, and fine stranded cables up to 120 square millimeters. The tool features dual cutting areas, the stepped cutting edge for smaller cables and the front cutting edge for nibbling very large cables. With a slim head for tight spaces, this shear allows comfortable one- or two-handed operation, making it an ideal tool for electricians and professionals working with large cables. The KNIPEX crimping pliers are a high-quality tool designed for efficient and accurate crimping of wire ferrules. Key features include a self-adjusting mechanism that automatically adjusts to the ferrule size, ensuring consistent crimps. It features a hexagonal crimp for a strong and reliable connection and lateral access for easy use in tight spaces. The pliers are made from durable chrome vanadium electric steel and offer ergonomic, multi-component grips for reduced hand fatigue. With a crimping capacity of up to 6 AWG for single wires and 8 AWG for twin wire ferrules, these pliers are ideal for a wide range of electrical and automotive applications. The KNIPEX pipe cutter is a high-quality tool designed for cutting composite and plastic pipes. It features a cutting capacity of up to 25 mm in diameter and uses a rotating cutting wheel for smooth, burr-free cuts. The ergonomic multi-component grips ensure comfort and reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Made from durable materials, it offers long-lasting performance, and the cutting wheel is easily replaceable when needed. Ideal for both professional and DIY use, the KNIPEX pipe cutter provides clean and efficient cutting of pipes. The KNIPEX Crimp assortment is a high-quality toolkit designed for crimping wire ferrules with plastic collars. It includes a range of interchangeable crimping dies to accommodate various wire sizes and ferrules. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable and efficient operation, reducing hand fatigue during use. Built for durability, the assortment is made to withstand heavy use and offer long-lasting performance. The tools come neatly organized in a compact storage case, making them easy to transport and store. This kit is an essential tool for electricians and technicians who require precise and reliable crimping. Overall, the KNIPEX Crimp assortment is a versatile and efficient solution for professional crimping tasks. The KNIPEX BiX is a compact and versatile pipe cutter designed for cutting thin-walled plastic pipes and sealing sleeves, commonly used in plumbing and electrical installations. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, allowing easy use in tight spaces. The variable blade unit adjusts to accommodate pipe diameters ranging from 20 to 50 mm. Made from special surgical stainless steel, the sharp blades ensure clean and precise cuts without leaving shavings. The BiX offers quick and efficient cutting, and it comes with 2 integrated spare blades for convenience. Overall, the KNIPEX BiX is a reliable, user-friendly tool ideal for frequent plastic pipe cutting tasks. The KNIPEX Ratchet cable cutter is designed for precise cable stripping, especially for larger cables and tough sheaths. Its ratchet function provides powerful cutting through thick cables by applying and releasing pressure. The blade features 3 cutting areas: circular, longitudinal, and combination for various applications. A guide shoe prevents damage to the conductor insulation during cutting. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Safety features include a 3-stage lock to prevent accidental closure, ideal for electrical contractors, telecommunications technicians, and automotive professionals. The Knipex QD X90 is a versatile universal knife designed for various cutting tasks. It features an extendable stabilization bar for flexible or rigid blade usage, offering precise control and efficient cutting. The bar allows for targeted pressure on the blade, ensuring clean cuts and reducing injury risk. The ergonomic design and durable construction make it comfortable to use for extended periods. A secure blade locking mechanism prevents slippage, while quick blade replacement and included spare blades ensure convenience. Lightweight and compact, the QD X90 is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Knipex Tools SBA TubiX S Pipe Cutter is a compact and efficient tool designed for cutting pipes in tight spaces. It features a quick lock mechanism for one-handed adjustment and clamping, making it ideal for quick and precise work. This cutter can handle copper and stainless steel pipes with a diameter of 3 to 30 mm and a wall thickness up to 2 mm. With its spring-loaded cutting wheel, 5 needle bearings, and optimized turning knob for higher torque, it ensures smooth cutting. A spare cutting wheel is conveniently stored in the knob for easy replacement. The KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS is a compact and versatile tool that combines the functionality of pliers and a wrench in a single tool. At just 4 inches long, it is the smallest fully functioning pliers wrench in the world. It handles a wide range of sizes up to 3/4 inches and is excellent for gripping, holding, pressing, and bending applications. The parallel jaws evenly distribute force for a secure grip without marring surfaces, while the box joint design and textured handles ensure stability and comfort. The pinch guard prevents accidental finger injuries, and with 10 adjustment positions, it allows for quick and easy adjustments. It's a great tool for various tasks, providing precision, durability, and ease of use. The KNIPEX TwinGrip Slip joint pliers is a versatile tool that combines the functionality of front and side gripping pliers, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. Its high grip front jaw with robust teeth and a high gear ratio provides excellent grip for turning screws and bolts, even those with worn heads. The optimized side jaw with opposing teeth offers maximum force for tightening and loosening fasteners. Key features include a unique 2-in-1 function, a durable box joint design, 5 adjustable positions for a secure fit, and a slim head design for working in tight spaces. With a large gripping capacity of 4 to 22 mm and a pinch guard to prevent finger injury, the KNIPEX TwinGrip slip joint pliers are a reliable and essential tool for any toolbox. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.